9 upon 10 raised to the power of 7 times 4 upon 3 raised to the power of 9 times 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power of 6 times 5 upon 6 whole raised to the power of 11. We have to evaluate it without using calculator. Now let's try. This is in the form of a upon b whole raised to the power of m, and this we can write it as a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m. So using this property, we write 9 raised to the power 7 upon 10 raised to the power 7 times 4 raised to the power 9 upon 3 raised to the power 9 times 3 raised to the power 6 upon 5 raised to the power 6 times 5 raised to the power 11 upon 6 raised to the power 11. Now 9 we can write it as 3 raised to the power 2, now whole raised to the power 7, then upon 10 we can write it as 5 times 2 whole raised to the power 7, 4 we can write it as 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 9 upon 3 raised to the power 9 times 3 raised to the power 6 upon 5 raised to the power 6 times 5 raised to the power 11 upon 6 we can write it as 3 times 2 whole raised to the power 11. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, then this is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Also, if a times b whole raised to the power m, then this is equal to a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m. So using these two identities, we have 3 raised to the power 14 upon 5 raised to the power 7 times 2 raised to the power 7, then times 2 raised to the power 18 upon 3 raised to the power 9, then times 3 raised to the power 6 upon 5 raised to the power 6, then times 5 raised to the power 11 upon 3 raised to the power 11 times 2 raised to the power 11. Now this we can also write it as 3 raised to the power 14 times 2 raised to the power 18, multiplying all the numerators, times 3 raised to the power 6 times 5 raised to the power 11 upon 5 raised to the power 7 times 2 raised to the power 7 times 3 raised to the power 9 times 5 raised to the power 6 times 3 raised to the power 11 times 2 raised to the power 11. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, then this is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So using this identity, here we have 3 raised to the power 14 plus 6. Again there is an identity. If a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n, then this is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. So here in the denominator we have 3 raised to the power 9 and 3 raised to the power 11. So using this identity, it will be 3 raised to the power 9 plus 11, that will be 20, and then this is in the form of a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power minus n. So this we can write it as minus 9 plus 11 or simply minus 20, then 2 raised to the power 18 in the numerator, and in the denominator 2 raised to the power 7 and 2 raised to the power 11. So it will be 18 minus 7 plus 11 or simply 18 minus 18, then 5 raised to the power 11. 5 raised to the power 7 times 5 raised to the power 6 means 5 raised to the power 7 plus 6, 5 raised to the power 11 minus 30. So we are done with all the numerators and denominators. So this is 20 minus 20, 3 raised to the power 0 times 2 raised to the power 0 times 5 raised to the power minus 2. Now a raised to the power 0 value is 1. When a number is raised to the power of 0, it is equal to 1, because when a raised to the power 0, we can write it as a raised to the power 1 minus 1, and this we can then write it as a upon a. 1 times a is a, so answer is 1. So 3 raised to the power 0 will be 1, 2 raised to the power 0 will be 1, and negative exponent means a raised to the power minus b means 1 upon a raised to the power of b, multiplicative inverse of the a base raised to the positive power of the exponent. So it will be 1 upon 5 raised to the power 2. So answer is 1 upon 25. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.